Yo, bro, let's get real for a sec. By this year, your wallet's gonna need some serious upgrades. Not crypto, not AI hype, just cold, hard skills they don't teach in school. I've got 8 game changers that'll make your bank account look like a VIP club. No fluff. Let's go. Skill number 1. Fake it till you make it, but with money. Here's the truth. Rich people think rich before they're rich. You're sitting there like, I'll save when I earn more. Nah, the second you get a raise, you'll want a Tesla and a penthouse. Act like you're already loaded. Save 20% first, then live on scraps. Your future self will high-five you. Skill number 2. Ignore the finance brothers. Asset allocation, liquidity, blah blah. You don't need a PhD. Investing equals money working while you sleep. Budget equals telling your cash where to go. Net worth equals what's left if I sell my junk. Keep it simple. Skill number 3. The 48-hour rule saves your wallet. Saw a $500 jacket online. Add to cart. Then wait. 48 hours. If you still care, buy it. 90% of the time, you'll forget. Your bank account stays chubby. Skill number 4. Emergency funds are sacred. You call that savings? If you're dipping in for Taco Tuesdays, that's a piggy bank, not an emergency fund. Open a separate account. Name it Do Not Touch Unless the World is Ending. Autopilot cash into it. Pretend it's lava. Skill number 5. Snowflake your debt to death. Debt feels like a 500 pounds backpack. Instead of crying, attack it with $5s. Skip Starbucks? Throw $5 at debt. Sold old sneakers? $20. Tiny wins equals big momentum. Skill number 6. Make money in your sleep. Side hustles? Exhausting. But your existing crap? Cancel that and used gym membership, $30 per month. Dig up forgotten gift cards. Sell skills you already have. Editing, coaching, anything. Turn leaks into cash. Skill number 7. Investing for lazy people. Think stocks are scary? Start with $50. Use Robinhood. Buy 1 share Nike. Watch it. No pressure. In 90 days, you'll either shrug or get hooked. Either way, you're learning. Skill number 8. Budgeting for people who hate budgets. Tracking every coffee? Torture. Do this instead. Automate savings. Let's say $500 per month. The rest? Blow it guilt-free. Sushi dinners? Concerts? Go nuts. Just save first. This year coming fast. These skills? They're your armor. Pick one today. Save $20. Cancel a subscription. Throw $5 at debt. Small moves equals big wins. Subscribe. Next week, I'm dropping exactly how to turn $100 into $1,000 without leaving your couch. And if you want to help me keep these vids free, join my Patreon, link below. You're not just supporting me, you're funding a rebellion against bro culture. Stay hungry. Get rich. Peace.